In this video, we're going to review the Elementor Pro and how well it works with the Woocommerce. Hi, my name is Stratos and I'm constantly producing video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So we're going to start again by taking some numbers here, and let's paste it here and paste it here again. And of course, this is with the Elementor Pro and the Hello theme. And I have also opened here the Cadence theme just for reference and how I have created the same layout. So let's start putting those numbers. We have the 44 here for the mobile version. Here is the 44. Sorry, this is Breezy. This is the Elementor Pro, 44. And we have for desktop 65. And then let's go for here 81 seconds, 8.1, not 8.1, 8.1, here 8.1, 117 megabytes. And the requests are 64. Let's retest. And the requests are 64. Now, again, I don't really care about the time that it will make to load. It's something that it depends on the hosting that you have. And I think that the hosting that I have for this test are not so great. So let's see the second number, and until that, let's see how it looks in the front end. So we have the logo here, and we have the menu with the cart icon. With the cart icon, we have the hero section here with 2 buttons, and at H1 we have 3 columns, the H2 here, and of course we have the titles and the buttons, and here we have 12 products with the heading. In the menu, we have here the logo, here we have the menu again, and here we have the social icons. Let's go and grab the time, which is 7.4. Let's retest that. 7.4. Now, I'm not waiting for something that is close to 3.3 seconds, but I think that 7 and 8 it's really bad numbers. I was expecting somewhere around 5 seconds, but we will see if we're going to get close. Now 3.8, it's very good. 3.8. And of course, since I'm building with the Elementor Pro, I have designed the header and the footer with Elementor. And that's why, even though in the Cadence theme I couldn't make this white unless I would use the CSS, I can do easily that with the Elementor. If we go here to the theme builder, we're going to see that we have a single product, a product archive, footer, and header. So every page has created with the theme builder. If we go here to the appearance and themes, we're going to see that I only have the hello theme. If it opens here, let's go and see the number 3.7. Let's retest. Okay, 3.7. Okay, doesn't want to open. And let's go and see the next page, which is the archive page. So in the archive page, as you can see, I have the filters here. This is the theme builder. I have here the archive products. The only thing that is missing here, if we compare it to the Cadence theme, and if we go to the shop, is the column view, the grid view and the list view. We have the sorting, we have the result, but we don't have the grid view. So this is something that I would really like to see in a future update of the Elementor. Let's see the next one. 5.1. Let's go for 5.1 here. And let's go to the next page, which is the sub page. Sub page, let's go here and paste the sub page here. And let's go here and paste the sub page again. I'm going to stop that and refresh. No, I'm going to delete that and I'm going to open it from here. So appearance themes again. Hopefully, yeah, it will open. As you can see, we have the hello theme. The version at this point is the 2.3.0. Let's go and put here the hello theme. And then let's go to the plugins. This needs a double O, hello theme. And let's go to the plugins and see here that we have the Elementor Pro, Really Simple SSL, and Woocommerce. So we have only 4 plugins installed. 4 plugins. Let's go and grab the numbers. Here we have 42 and 64. And here we have 5.6. 630 kilobytes and 62 requests. Okay, so let's go back to the page here. And we have 2.6. Here 2.6, and then let's go to the page and see how it looks at this moment. As you can see, I have my filters here which are working. If I go here and select green, I can then select the size and I go for a medium or something, and I will get the product that I want. I can clear then the filters here and I will get the full list of the products right here again. 2.9. 2.9. Now, of course, since I'm using the Elementor Pro, I don't have any control how the archive products looks inside here, and I don't mean how you style the elements like the color or the size of this title or the price here, but I cannot add here the categories or another element or change the order. I cannot put the price underneath the button or change anything else right here. Let's see this, it's 3.3. I have to install a third-party plugin to do that. If I go here to the archive page, you can see that I can select here the style of the everything that it's looking here, the color, the typography, the spacing, the size, but I cannot change the order or add another element. I would like to do that, but I cannot with just the Elementor Pro. Hopefully they will bring us someday something that you can control how it looks inside here, and also they can you can probably change how the post look like if you add an archive post somewhere. And let's go and grab the last number, which is 3.2. 3.2. Okay, the next page is the product page. We're going for the hoodie product. So let's go back to the here and go for the hoodie product. I'm selecting the hoodie product because it also has a variation. It's a variant product. So let's grab here and let's go here and delete that. Paste the new URL. Analyze, and then here analyze again. And if we go and check how it looks with the Cadence theme, we will see that I have recreated the same layout. You can do whatever you want because you're using, of course, the Pro version. We have the single archive, and I could create here the same layout. As you can see here, we have the breadcrumbs, the image, everything that we have here, we have also the same here. I have already do the same order. As you can see, we have here the description and related products, and again here we have the description and related products. Of course, here you could change whatever you want inside there. Let's go and grab the numbers. We have here 36 and 60. And then we have 4 seconds. 728 and 71 requests. Now, as you will see, the page size is a little bit different. As you can see here in the product, we have only 329 kilobytes against 728. Here we have over 1 megabyte, and here we have only 819 kilobytes. This is how the Elementor Pro handles the pictures. I cannot change and add a thumbnail or a medium-sized picture when we have the archive products. I can only display the size that the Elementor Pro gives me. Let's see this second number, 3.5. So let's go to the single page and let's go to the theme builder, and as you can see here, I can select, of course, everything else in here and change the color, how they look like. I can change the order, I can add and remove settings. Here we have the meta tags, and I can select them to be table stacked or in line if you want, and also I can change the SKU word, so you can add here something that it's going to be a different word. And of course I just add the semicolons in here. Let's go for the next number, is 4.5. The single product archive, not archive page, the single product page that you create with Elementor Pro is a far better experience in building. So you can decide anything that you want, remove anything, add anything, and of course you have many other things that you can add here, like additional information, upsells, and we have some, I have the short description here, the product stock, which I hadn't add here, product rating, which I could add here somewhere, or what I want. So you can do whatever you want here. If only the archive page could add or remove some elements like this, it would be great. It would be what we would need for the Elementor Pro. Next number is 4 seconds. 4 seconds, so I'm waiting the last numbers here. So if we go and check the time, we will see that we have around 2 seconds here. And if we see the requests are more, of course, I'm not using Gutenberg. And as you can see, the numbers from the Google Insight are not so great, are pretty low in my opinion. 62 requests, 20 more. And here we have 71, which is almost 25 requests more. Let's go and grab the last number, which is 3.2. 3.2. Now, overall, building with the Elementor is pretty good. It's pretty fast. You can do your work and what you want to build. The workflow is great. Everything has a logical behind why you will need the page builders, why you will need the theme builder, why you will add the everything here, the single post, the single archive. I really like how you work with the Elementor. But of course there are some things that I wish I could do more. The end result is great, but I would like the code to be a little better. The requests should be a little less if we could. I think 20 requests here are a little more that I would like to see. And we will see what it's going to be in the other builders. So in case a project comes up and the client wants to build something custom with him, I would choose the Elementor Pro. Of course, the final results will be in the last video, and then will be my opinion for the overall test that I'm going to do, and what I'm going to choose with each and every product. I will discuss a little bit more in that video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.